Jati na turana minita ito KFS, Culture and Heritage and Arts. Jati na turana tisuba. Jati na turana roki zolo. Tina turana tikalambu. Staff and students of the various schools that are here today. Ladies and gentlemen, Jatiwana Turanga Kenamram. And the Songuti Vanandwana Songo Wagamatantu. Na kena wanunumitiko na singa ni toke ni bunua ebe sa urura na naliu sarna sompo bango na bawaritiko urura na singa ni kuwa na naliu sarta na bunua na bosa tiko kina bosa wa toke kana bando taitiko na bosa Wakaangataki Wakamatang. Many of these addresses around the world will be given in the indigenous languages and instantaneously translated into the official languages of the various countries around the world. So I apologize if some may not be able to follow the words of the address. But the spirit of the address is that we acknowledge and pay our respects to the first citizens of the countries we live in around the world. The spirit of the address is that we acknowledge the traditional landowners, the chiefs and their subjects who settled the land we live in. We acknowledge their values, their values of accommodation, where they decided to accommodate visitors who came after them. We acknowledge them as Wulangi, with a term of respect, a term showing acknowledgement, a term acknowledging commitment to be hosts. Hosts meaning the total word, the total meaning of the word. I host you. I will provide for you. I will protect you. Many have taken offense when the term Wulangi has been used for them. You will notice that when the tambura was presented this morning, I asked the young chief on my left, Rabuka, of Savingoma, and also the Rabuka Chuba of Savingoma na Kamunang. Before they put on the Salsalu, I asked them if it was okay for me to accept the Salsalu. These are the deeper meanings of these two words, Itoke and Wulangi. From today on, if you are called Wulangi, do not take offense. It's a term used by the TKEC to acknowledge you and you become your responsibility. And when it's okay, you acknowledge that responsibility, that undertaking. So if you do not understand the words of the address, please understand the meaning, the deeper meaning of the words and the ceremonies and the day we acknowledge today. I'm deeply honored. The government is deeply honored to be represented here this morning. Sa kampo ka wikitong na lain basado na ito wa politike tolu matentuti ni kuwa damay mare tarawat na singa ni toke ni bunuao World Indigenous Peoples Day. Damay ba naman matiko suba viti yan singa kuwa. Wala doon ay kawalam wito na tambana di Bingarabi. And the ministry, Itoke Affairs, Culture and Arts, nakanamayrado ribikanda, nabingkaray waturan ko. Kaya nabibunwa, waturan. Kuno waturan ang burmasanga. Naman marambay na bang tibigay. Kirto na nanra nganturang artutoka na kuno ang may tukin. Nakuno waturan ang kumbuna. Waturan ba matika man ang inibalo ka na kami sasab. Sa ati uwi maluay na matayin kuwa. Kirto naturang ang roka, ni naman ito waturan ang torak. We are Fiji. Doon yung ginagawa ko ano po lang nagtatawa. Baka sa ang wala ang dalitag kina. Kaya hindi itagin na boss. Baka kina na sere, niloto yung dalang atrat. Kung ano lalay sara, ang wala ni Sitiveni ng sila boturan. Dia titiwan naman ra talawi, nung may bodyo na magturang bale na italay isang bale. Arala ko ni na alin ba sila boturan ha? Itarun. Karang bubisikan ni na Cornwall, bubulsikin na ng ha? Lima sa Uladiwa na Provincial School Northern. Narito Cornwall na sana itolo may bunalem. Karena may bultang haki na amantangane marubimbi may bunong bravo. So gurar lautuan ni nalay sa sanga lotu. Nabi botor tagi non rubian ni anu karalay dara katukina. And the estate, not on a walang yung itaroon. Doon may kartun daw may katarawin na cultural group. Sa totoo sa mga kanlangatin ng unong ko, kito sa langatan ng unong ako, makita ng turahan na lenin ba sila ko turahan, kaya naman rama. Rangosak ka na lakab. Wakai kima wakila nangon lawingo, endo na itavindindi sa filti wikima minisinya. Mikima ni Roma rotagira, nele nimba sile votura. Wamuti nale weekend na nanuma na siya kuwa. Many of us and many of you students here this morning will remember this day and probably for the first time understand the deep meaning of the words "it's okay" and "ulai." If we take away nothing else from this celebration, I hope you take away the meaning of those two words in the Vosavariti, and the deeper meaning in the spiritual language that we all understand and know. When I was Prime Minister, the declaration to have recognition of the indigenous peoples around the world was made. The United Nations Declaration of the Rights of Indigenous Peoples. The government at the time tried, but since then we have not been able to ratify that declaration or the conventions. Hopefully with the spirit of unity and harmony that now prevails in our land, through its difficult circumstances, can finally come to acknowledge and ratify those noble declarations of the United Nations. That perhaps in another role that we give to the Minister and his task force that's here with us today. Sambalang tuma nakana sa sangatak. Nakana wadike binawika kaya nandundonu nibi matatamata ito kay di ba sa tayo sa bimbi na sa nanday ko sa bosa eviti donde ni ba tayo ito na bosa ngwana tamat. Ukrea na bibisot. It has been some time since the United Nations set up a working group to study and bring about agreements, conventions, and declarations about indigenous peoples of the world. The first of these meetings was held on the 9th of August, 1982. That is why we are celebrating that event today. That meeting opened the doors for the indigenous peoples around the world to begin discussions and throw away that stigma of being outsiders, of being uncivilized, and come into the arena of international discussions as equal peoples of the world. Nambalang taong nanda sa kumulmay. Dapat bigyan relation ng mga ka sukutala ni muri. na tinakawalupit sa Rabuka. We cast our mind back to 1982, and that further opened the door for further investigations. Why? Why are we doing this now? And we focused on 1874, the day our chiefs of that day ceded Fiji to Queen Victoria of Great Britain. Many students of Fiji history have come up with different interpretations of that deed of trust, that deed of cession, the deed of ceding and accepting that took place in Rabuka on the 10th of October that year. To this day, some still blame our chief, while some acknowledge that great deed as a great deed of trust that has acknowledged the sovereignty of the British reign. Now that we have come out of the reign, we have taken on the reins of our nation and its leadership, and we are undergoing the studies that the task force has been set up to get and delve into for our people of the future. Notice that I use the word in its singular form, the people of Fiji. Peoples used to be acknowledged and accepted. When we're talking nations, Fiji as a nation, we will acknowledge that we are one. And we have and enjoy our group and individual rights. Today we celebrate also ILO Convention 169, which is the United Nations Declaration on the Rights of Indigenous Peoples. Bona kena kilaya kawai amata mbosile buke burbura na kena bandi tak na nondono ni bei mata tamata itokei ni bei banua burbura UN drip orana itu rongo consolidate these two conventions and agreements and ethos, way of thinking, a way of accepting the nuclei of these two thoughts. Who we are, what are we responsible for, and to whom. Sinawira kami na doon sunggawa. Kaya na ito kay Renan Bulay. And we get right down to the meaning of these two words. And the clerk in an imbala ni was bibi rogo. And accept our responsibilities to one another. And daw tuwa na watanda may natirake. Dana po sa mga reklang awir na kanimbalmbay. Yan da sa pangata ka rambay lebu tuwi na faiwa. dua na whaiwa ni rarawa matentu, na kena kei koutu mai sa bola na songo na nono wasa o ka me mei wasa na bula ni tokai. And the dog game beauty mai na vida watana rin pepongo na kame mai tukuna. Liwi ki mai me marutakan sa aro mai na kabalay, kabarutak. Meke mai tukuna, meke mai kamrak. Kime mai buka tenga ni rongo binak. Tahu siya kung sa kali ririku tu, yung balang-balang daw na kautukuna siya. Balatin Indo tayo na bukaruta ka may nabawas may may tukuna. Anda may kambraka. Doon tayo lang ayaw na rongala. Era sing bukaruta ka may nabawas. Yung sa kabibir to, tayo kinananong ko yung alawan, alam ng basa ako, doon ka rin na buka binaka na kando na tukuna. Make sure you believe. Before you see the address, you believe in what you're going to be speaking on. Dahil ito ka minister niyo na tukuna kinanakango. Pati kilaw ko, hindi ikaw tungayin ng buwas ko na matayin ko. But I believe in the thought behind the preparation of this address. That's why I'm speaking to you from my heart. Nana ko nino kumaywasan doon daw wikam ni. Nitoto ba ka na doon wabot. Kaya naturang aminista, kaya rin karawan at tamalarak. Kau buwang bauta, hindi ba kakina, nanon daw buwang bauta. Siya hindi halahan na siya, hindi may isang gonikin. Hindi na siya may wakanday tagkina. Rabuka and the Wakila and the Kama. The Saramwa na be Sere Nivanua, National Anthem, the Burubura. There's a Langati and a Kanabosa of it okay, Kanabosa, Waka official language. The Marotak. And the Bola Chicken at Pepper and Marongo at Kunchukina, Mendunduka, a second national anthem. It's embarrassing to the under attack. We were not translated our national anthem into Vosalavit. The tune is the same. The words that will convey the meaning of the English words have not been composed. Hopefully, our task force will also look into that. I speak to you as a Prime Minister of today, and I make a commitment of the government of today, which hopefully will be the commitment of successive governments that will come after us, to ensure that every generation of Fijians will understand the reciprocal acknowledgement, trust, and confidence required from each ethnic group in Fiji, particularly the Toke and the Wulai. So much has been entrusted unto us, and we stand up to carry the burden of trust. And we hope that during our time, as trustees of this land, as trustees of the people of this nation, we will endeavor to pass on and convey to the future generations of leaders and citizens the honor of leading this multi-ethnic nation of Fiji. we acknowledge that we have had an assembly of our chiefs on the Chiefly Island of Mbau. We have also had expressions of dissent. Some saying you have not even established yourselves by law. How can you call that gathering of chiefs the Mboselevu Weturanga? We know. The minister knows. We're working towards it. Please do not take offense. The chiefs also know their responsibilities of looking after everyone else under their domain. Nawaler na kanawara wa Mboselevu Weturanga, sena Mbose awador membau. Nawaler na kan tamani chiko na nomdo wandindike, wakikeli, na matulala ando saka vive ding tax. Ngondong geraba na wandindik ngo. Rika ando na kautamay, ni na may wala taki. Sana yung mami ko nui na mami ko ang bauta. Indo na tuwa na may ko mongos. May abakina na tiko bay maliwa binakan nando banua. Nabi marroy na bitang kumaki. Nabi may ngeti. May bula may ko biti. May tunde kandina tu. Bawal tengah nanti kita pun wasing kanggo kalau itu. Awak tahu na minister itu coba rambut jumbo, itu coba ingkar jumbo. Baru main nonongan na turangan na dan turangan benua. Wabin menawale bani, rubang alalan, tagian yang mana main koron dalam jumbo, baru mau berita bertegai. Na tabi gumata ni Buno Boli. Rak nga nalawa ko warak. Isando na itabi bimbi, ni ba tabli, ni ba kami na turang na minista. Turang na permanent secretary. Kami do labing grabe na tambaba ito okay. Men pangamaran kita. Nanon day waraw. May nakilayan dito ano nung tabi. Ay naman tayo nikuha may ukilaan siya nito doon may uwag sa salo. O kaya kinawaraw na turay na kunwara itong tingwa, kaya roban doon may uwag sa salo. Ano ito tiyo ninalanda ng ngauna, saan na siya ni mga salo to ako, siya nasing nikimay mga salo to ako, ikima minabulang suret. Ay naman huwag kaya may suret kina. Kaya ba kaya naman ni Wando no imekema mibo salu, imekema kilaji ko. Kimi tokara chika na salu, nomber na turanga ni bunongo. Turang bali na marambal. Dio sambole mo ba salu taki. O sambole mo no ata na kana itabi. Menaw mo isang salu, nawala itabi. Menaw mo isang salu, nakana itawo. Na itawo ni lama, na itawo ni Vengrat. Kalau dia kalau nak apa buat, tu baru tak ramai. Nak baru legislasi, mau tukunan kuah. I'm coming to the end of this prepared address, and I thank God that He thinks and speaks in all of us. Because what I have said this morning, although were not the words prepared, they are the same sentiments and spirit of the address intended for me to deliver here this morning. I will read the concluding paragraph. And another song ni kuwa mendo kilati ukina ni leu sara na itatao leu sara na vakaundromu leu sara na kui es de sengni reila and they lako and dala ko tikan kinako leu tanga itu ene lako and sala ko bo tumai kanda sa kilaan sa huli lamay na iwalawale ng karabikina. We have come a long way. We have endured the tragedies of the past. We have overcome the challenges. Most of them will be the challenges and the obstacles in our path of the future. Just as our fathers and forefathers have navigated through to where we are today, the challenge is upon us to navigate and negotiate the obstacles before us for the generations after us. That is the meaning of this ceremony today. We make an assessment of where we are, who we are, where we have come from, how we have tackled, or those that have led us in the past, have tackled the obstacles of the past, how we take on those same challenges. Become resolute and determined to guide those following us into the future. That's what all today is about. Today is a call to the indigenous peoples of Fiji and the Tuma. A call to us to accept the challenges of having all those who have left the land in which they were indigenous, the land that they called their own native land, to come and make this their home. Today is a call to us together to forge together a nation of unity, a nation of brave men and women, one nation of many races, of many languages and tongues, to come together and make a commitment to make this land we call Fiji, with all its people, a home where we can enjoy great living, comfortable living, peaceful coexistence, harmony, and prosperity. That is today. That is what today is all about. Rabuka and the TKEC come together and make a commitment under God that they will make this land home. God bless Fiji.